the Fiji Roads Authority has provided a funding of around 370 million. And this includes 118 million for road maintenance and 7 million for road renewals, replacement and resealing, 35 million for bridge renewals and crossing replacements, and 26 million for new sealing and upgrading of community and rural roads. To ease traffic congestion experienced by commuters traveling in major urban centers, the government is providing the FRA with a sum of 20 million in the next financial year. Of these, 15 million is budgeted for the widening of the Ratu-Dawi Road, construction of the Extension Street bypass to connect with Brown Street, and also upgrades to Ratu-Sukuna Road. A sum of 4.5 million is allocated to conduct feasibility and design for road widening along Delen Besi to Vesari. Also, from Veikomba to Langere, the Princess Road, and Nasoso to Nabutu in the Nandi-Lotoka corridor. Government recognizes this investment as a priority to improve road travel. In the Northern Division, I'm glad to update that the detailed design for the temporary and permanent bridge replacement is nearing completion for the Lambasa bypass project. For the next financial year, FRA will continue its preparatory work and carry out its procurement process.